Why is car insurance mandatory? Hello, welcome to Car Care, the home of the best auto insurance tips. In this video, we shall see answers to the following questions. 1. Why is car insurance mandatory in USA? 2. Is car insurance compulsory in UK? 3. Why is car insurance mandatory but not health? 4. Which car insurance is mandatory? An insurance policy is an agreement between you, the insured, and your insurance company. In the agreement, you accept to pay the premiums, and in return, your insurance company agrees to pay for your losses or damages resulting from any accident or incidents. The amount you pay for insurance coverage is determined by so many factors, which are all explained on this channel, so subscribe today. Question 1. Why is car insurance mandatory in USA? Like in any country of your origin, the main reason for having insurance coverage is your liability. You are solely responsible for the losses and damages you cause while driving your car. In the USA, most states require you to purchase liability coverage to safeguard the lives and property of the third party in case you are at fault in the accident. Question 2. Is car insurance compulsory in UK? Just like in the USA, motor insurance, same as liability, is the minimum insurance coverage you will need before driving. In both countries, it is illegal to drive uninsured. At least 2 states in the USA allow you to drive uninsured, but you must prove you are financially strong to pay for the losses and damages you might cause while driving. Question 3. Why is car insurance mandatory but not health? The main reason why it is mandatory to have liability insurance is that third-party victims are on their own, whereas you are on your own with the health insurance. The person you injured or whose property you damaged is entitled to compensation, making it your financial responsibility. Question 4. Which car insurance is mandatory? In most countries, third-party insurance is the main mandatory coverage you need to buy before driving. Other policies like comprehensive or collision remain optional in many states, though you may need to consult more since policies differ from country to country.